Welcome! In this short video, we will guide you through the Sage Journals platform. Sage is honored to be part of One Nation One subscription. As part of One Nation One subscription today we provide access to over 1,000 high-quality journals, in partnership with more than 400 leading societies. Our journals span a wide range of disciplines, including science, technology, medicine, social sciences, and the humanities, making it easier for you to find research in your subject area. All Sage content is indexed in major discovery services and academic databases. It's also searchable on platforms like Google Scholar. So whether you're looking for content relevant to your project or if you are publishing your research, content is readily available for researchers to find. Sage Journals is our online platform that gives you access to all of our world-class research. You can browse, discover, navigate and share research. Students and researchers can explore our high-quality journal articles to learn about the key themes and debates on your topic, to keep track of recent developments in your subject area, and find authoritative references for your assignments and research. Instructors can link to Sage Journal articles to help students understand their study topics via evidence-based research, as well as staying up to date with recent developments in your own field. We will now show you how to navigate and access the Sage Journals available to your institution under the One Nation One subscription. To begin, visit www.onos.gov.in. First, through the Search and Browse drop-down, you can either enter your topic of interest directly into the search bar or browse through the available subject areas. And second, through the Publisher drop-down menu. Select Sage Publishing Journals, which will direct you to journals.sagepub.com for access. When you land on the homepage, you will notice this Access banner at the top right corner stating access provided by your institution's name. This confirms that you are authenticated through your institution and can access relevant content. The Sage Journals portal page provides options to search, browse, access relevant information and news, and includes resources for authors, librarians, editors, and societies. And now we can start looking for content. A good place to learn more about the journals we publish is via the browsing options on the landing page. Select the field that corresponds to your area of research. From here, you can drill this down to a more specific subject area and browse the list of journals to find something relevant to your needs. On the home page of the journal, you can find out more information about that journal, its impact factor, and metrics. You can submit a paper, or you can simply start reading the journal. Use quick links to browse the different issues and find recent research and featured articles. Back on the Sage Journals landing page, you can also search for an article by entering specific terms or keywords relevant to your research. Use on-screen filter options to edit your search parameters by article type, publication date, or by subject. Change sort options to find results most relevant to your research. You can refine your search even further by using the Edit Search function. From your search results, click on an article title to be taken to the article itself. Read through on the screen. Or use the interactive options to explore further. Download the article as a PDF. Jump to a particular section of the article to find the information you need at the click of a button. You can cite the article, create a quick reference, share the article with colleagues and friends, or request permissions to use content in your own research. Find information related to your area of interest in the discipline hubs, subject-specific landing pages where you can find information relevant to your field all in one place. Explore highlighted content. Quickly and easily access journals and articles most useful to you. Creating a profile allows you to customize your experience of the Sage Journals platform. Check and manage your preferences in your profile to receive information most relevant to you and to keep updated with timely content to support you in your research. Set up alerts for newly published content in journals most relevant to you. Set up saved searches and create alerts for those too. You can set up alerts to receive email notifications for your chosen journals, either when a new issue has been published or when new articles are published in that journal. It's simple and quick to set up an alert. On the journal landing page, sign up to receive email alerts, then manage notifications on your profile page. Choose the frequency of your alerts or quickly and easily return to your selected journals by clicking on the journal title. When you have conducted a search and selected specific search criteria, you also have the option to save your search. Click Save Search in your search results. Opt into alerts to update you on these search results. Visit your profile to find your saved searches and go back to these results at the click of a button. It's easy to navigate, saving you time when finding information relevant to your own research. Visit the Sage website to find out more about Sage Journals, information on pricing and subscription models with additional training resources and promotional materials available for you to explore and to support you in your research journey. Start exploring Sage Journals to discover high-quality research across your discipline and help make your research the best it can be. In case of any queries, feel free to write to us or scan the QR code to register for an upcoming hands-on training session with our team.